Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Little Jackson.
Hi.
And today we're gonna do a step-by-step Louisiana Cajun Crawfish boil. I'm gonna show you everything I know about boiling crawfish, from washing it, cleaning it, boiling it, seasoning it, and some tricks and tips of making the crawfish boil with the bang. All right, here is Boil Boss product. This will help us with the crawfish boil, and I have the ring to cool the pot down after it's finished boiling so it won't overcook the crawfish. And today video is sponsored by Boil Boss. All right, now let's get to cooking. Let's go. Here we go, guys. So all the ingredients, we got 4 pounds of crawfish boil, Louisiana style. They got 2 tubs of butter, chicken bouillon, 1 sack of potatoes, seasoning in the bag, Louisiana, some country boy sausages, 5 onions, 10 lemons, 10 garlic, 5-pound bag of oranges, 9 lemongrass, and 2 bags of extra sweet corn. So here you go, guys. We got here 35 pounds of crawfish from Fiesta. Right now it's $2.79 a pound. Other places selling $3 a pound. We got a good deal today. They said it's mixed, large and small, all mixed together. First thing you want to do is you want to wash these crawfish. These crawfish live in the mud, so you gotta wash it really good. I usually wash three of these waters and wash it until the water turns clear. Here's my little helper, Jackson. Say hi, Jax.
Hi.
Okay. Fill this water up, Jackson. All this muddy water. Hey, put water in here. Put water in there, yes. See how dirty this water is right here? You don't want that. You want to clean it real good.
These live in the mud?
Yeah, these live in the mud.
The big ones, the
Yep.
eater stuff.
So usually crawfish, after Mardi Gras, they drop the price real good. Before Mardi Gras, it's like $4 or $5 a pound. But after Mardi Gras, these things go on sale. And they usually last till like April, May.
You know what okay, guys? We're gonna cut.
So here you go, guys. See how the water is so clear now? That means they're clean. I did 3 baths of water like this. So it's clean, super clean now. Just dump it to a side. You don't wanna soak them in the water. They're gonna die like that. So guys, in the middle of the process, if you ever see dead ones, make sure you pick them out. You don't want to pollute the seasoning, all right? Make sure, that's very important. Pick all the dead ones out. But this is super fresh. We barely have any dead ones. This is an awesome buy right here.
Dad, put that one out. Dad, just leather free. Daddy, just leather free. Just leather free, Daddy.
Here we go, guys. Jackson here is filling up the pot to boil the water. We want to get it quarter of a way. So after you put the crawfish in, guys, wait till crawfish is boiling, and then you take one, open it up, test it out, see if it's cooked. This is perfectly cooked. Okay, and then right here, this is the Boil Boss ring of water. You want to put it on, then turn it on. To cool the pot down so it won't overcook. Just like that. Then while the pot's cooling down, you want to stir it. This thing here has a temperature gauge on it, so you want to stir it until it go down to 150. It went down to 140, so that's good. Now we turn it off. Now we wait for 20 to 30 minutes, let it soak and marinate. While we do that, we squeeze all this lemon and oranges in. This process I've learned from Boil Boss. So all that lemon tart, it soaks in with the crawfish in the process. Before, I used to always put the lemon and the oranges in before, when the process of the boiling the water. Now I do it like this, get more flavor out of the lemon and the oranges. After that, now we mix it up. See all that flavor, the lemon, all that lemon flavor, it's gonna soak into the crawfish. Look at this, so good. So here you go, guys. Here's how you eat the crawfish. One big crawfish, you break the head, suck all that flavor that you put in your hard work in, toss it away. Then here's the top shell. You want to break it, peel it off, pinch the tail, then pull the meat. You see this gut? Take that gut out, toss it out. Piece of meat right here. Very flavorful. Let's roll. Yeah. So with this right here, guys, they have a notch right here, so you can use it and put it right here so you won't touch this thing, won't be hot. So you grab that side, I'll grab this side. Look how sturdy this is, heavy duty. So what we do, there's a notch right here, just let it sit down. So that's Boil Boss for you guys. Temperature gauge right here and a notch to carry it up. Now we just let it soak, then we're gonna dump it in the ice chest.
One of the holidays. So good.